guys, this is my dad's toolbox. See? Oh, sorry. This is my dad's toolbox. See this? And then I have a small cutie toolbox.
Can you open your toolbox and show them what do you have in the toolbox?
Yep, I didn't have this. I have small one, my dad have big one. Because this is a toy.
Okay. Yeah.
This is the just.
Okay.
Okay, you use it.
Mm-hmm.
So this is.
Let me turn on the light. Oh, let me turn on the. Open the garage.
See, look at this. This is the battery for the jeweler. Put it in here.
Come here.
Oh, okay. Okay, this is the battery.
Okay, bring your toolbox over here. Open it and show me.
See,
Over there.
look. See guys? Yeah. And I edited for this. Now what's on the toolbox? And hammer. Dang, dang, dang. This is not hurting. This is not hurting. This is not hurting. Here, grab some too. See, I have it. E. See, this is the one my bicycle doesn't have it. Oh. Where? Oh, I found something. That's only the one. That's only the one. Fixing the bike. Oh, this is gone. This is not purple. This is for swimming pool. You can wear this as swimming pool. They have this. It's supposed to be glasses. Oh, screwdriver. See? Lay. Okay. Oh, which video of this? That's off. Wait a minute. I have this screw for the screwdriver. And then I didn't know what this is. So I put everything in here so I'm not lost it. My dad is the heavy stapler. And then whoever wakes me up, I'm not. Oh, I cannot put the jeweler inside. I only can. Oh, I couldn't put the jeweler inside. I only can put the battery, but I don't want the battery to go inside. What? Okay, that's all. Okay, Dad, fix it.
Whoa.
Now fix it.
Oh, whoa. My bike almost moved. You can move my bike. Look at my daddy's bike. Oh my God. This is when I'm playing with my dad. With the bike. So, this is another video about this. Okay, we're on real life. This is real life, all real life. Okay. Hot wheel! Hot wheel! My bicycle is Hot Wheel. It turned into a bicycle, but look at this. It's like, guys, look. Look at this. My bicycle is going like this. See, this is impossible. Impossible, man. Holy moly. It's impossible. Look at this. Is that cool? I'll just keep coming down. Okay. You watch Inside Out? I watch Inside Out from my iPod. A little bit up?
Like this much? Or this is fine?
That's fine. That's fine.
Ride the bicycle. And
Oh! My scooter have it too. See, my scooter have a tiny one. Tiny, bitty, tiny scooty. It's cute. It's cute. Oh, it looks cool. I'm not gonna end it. Look at it. Okay, my dad's going. Are you done, Dad?
yeah.
Okay, guys, let's go inside. Oh my God, that's so sharp, that orange thing. It will cut kids' hand. That's why only tell for grown-ups. I'll take lots of video and then you watch the video before going inside. So bye-bye. Open the door locker. Should we do science experiment?
What science experiment?
Like Brian. Oh, we cannot do science experiment. This is real. Who's science experiment? This is a candy. It's not gum. It looks like gum, but it's candy. It's healthy candy. It's with sugar, but it's healthy sugar. You've never seen healthy sugar. But I have a healthy gummy too. It's a gummy with healthy sugar on it. That means it's healthy gummy. So this is, you have to buy this. I paid money for this. It's just $1 for this. You've seen this before? It's just $1 for this. That's not a lot. Wow. You can buy this every you want. It's like $1 for this. Nothing else. $1. That's good. So, stop looking. Whoa.